What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed to this channel, what you have to do is you have to click on the subscription button, then you have to turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop any video. So guys, Trust Wallet just added an update that's on their Trust Wallet app. There's a quest section, so Trust Wallet and Trust Points. So what you have to do is just have to update your Trust Wallet app, then go ahead to open your Trust Wallet. Click on discover, then claim all your points so you can perform daily check-in to be getting a particular amount of points every day. The first thing you have to do is you have to go over to Play Store to update your Trust Wallet app. So once your app is already updated, then go ahead to open your Trust Wallet. So you see I already opened my Trust Wallet, then you see the amount of points I'm having. Okay, but yours won't be showing like this. Okay, so I just signed in into another wallet. So this is my second wallet on Trust Wallet. Then you may see this pop-up page, 100 points from Quest, congrats. I earned 100 points for having Trust Wallet. So I'll just click on this claim points, immediately come over to the Trust Wallet app. You may see a pop-up like that, but in case you're not seeing a pop-up, so you just have to come over to this discover. So once you come over there, you'll be seeing it here. So you see it here, in-app quest. Just click on the start button, then you'll be taken over to the quest details. Okay, so once you come over to the quest details, then you just have to go ahead to perform a daily check-in. So you'll be given 10 points. So once you're checking in like that, you'll be given 10 points. The reason why we're giving 100 points was in that first pop-up page that shows you've been rewarded with 100 points for using the Trust Wallet. Okay, so I'm having 110 points now. We also be seeing the second quest here. I just have to go ahead to stake this amount of Ethereum to be given 200 points. So just click on this stake button. So you can only perform this if you are having Ethereum. Okay, then click on this stake button, then just go ahead to enter the amount of Ethereum you want to stake. Okay, I'll just go back because I'm not having Ethereum here. Then they said it here that staked funds are accessible 4 days after unstaking, so you can unstake at any time. Normal network fees are applied. Then you see ETH post staking provided by Plane. Then you see APR is an estimate and may fluctuate. So any starts 1 day after staking. So let's say you stake today, the any will start the next day. Okay, you see the lock time period, which is for 4 days. The APR return is just 3.6%. Minimum staking amount is this. So just go ahead to stake if you have any ETH in your wallet, but I'm not having ETH, so I'll just be going with this daily check-in. I'll be coming back in 24 minutes time. So once you've performed the task like that, once you've clicked on this claim button here, I'll be displaying here. Then you have to go ahead to click on this claim all. Then you see that the points will be sent to your wallet. 110 points has been sent to my wallet already. So they said it here, if the points are not claimed within 3 months, they will be removed. Any claim point must be used within 1 year before they expire. So how can you use the Trust Wallet points? I'll click on this question mark page. Okay, most of us will be asking that, is this points tradable? Can you trade in Trust Points? Let me just go over to the right top there. So they said, unlike a native token TWT, Trust Points cannot be tradable or transferred, but can be accumulated to unlock exclusive reward and recognition. So be sure to get the most updated version of Trust Wallet to access the latest quest opportunity. So you can't trade the Trust Points, so you can just accumulate the points to unlock exclusive reward and recognition. So ready to go through that. Okay, so we just have to be coming here every day to perform the daily quest, and stay tuned for more updates from Trust Wallet. I already claimed 110 points today, so I'll just be coming back in 22 minutes time to claim another point. So guys, I already took us through this update, that is the Trust Wallet points update. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye guys.